Hi everybody, in this video let's discuss how to use eLearn TN School's online video classes. A new e-learning website was launched by Tamil Nadu School Education. TN e-learning website offers resources in all subjects in both Tamil and English to all the students from class 1 to class 12. This includes chapter-wise videos, lessons, songs, and activity videos as well. So the students can learn the lessons by watching the videos at home through TN e-learning website. Website address is elearn.tnschools.gov.in. E-learning means electronic learning or online learning or internet learning. Let's discuss how to log in and how to watch the videos. Use smartphone or Android phone to log in. Go to Google search and type eLearn TN Schools. You can see eLearn Tamil Nadu School Education. If you click eLearn Tamil Nadu School Education, you will see the home page. Welcome to eLearn, an initiative of the School Education Department, Tamil Nadu. Click here for content and click here for Neat Login. You must click here for content. You must choose class, medium and subject. You can choose classes from 1st standard to 12th standard. I choose class 10. Then select the medium, English medium or Tamil medium. I select English medium. Next subject, you can choose English or Tamil or maths or science or social science. I choose English. If you click search, you can see learning resources and practice resources. In learning resources, videos are uploaded for the teachers and students. Presently in learning resources, coronavirus awareness video is uploaded. Click search, you can see 15 topics for 10th standard students. If you select I Am Every Woman poem topic, you can watch the video of I Am Every Woman. You can download the video by pressing for a long time. If you want to watch the video for 5th standard in English, you must choose class 5, medium English and subject English and click search. You can select any topic and watch the video. Choose class 6, medium English, subject English and click search. You can find 18 learning resources. If you choose trip to Ooty prose lesson, you can watch and enjoy trip to Ooty video. Hello teachers and my dear friends, you can upload your e-learning resources to TNTP by using eLearn TN Schools website. Let me explain about e-learning resources. You can contribute e-learning resources only for the Tamil Nadu state curriculum. You can contribute e-learning resources for co-curricular and extracurricular activities also. Your contributions should be for the specific class, subject, medium, lesson, topic and content types as defined in TNTP. The e-learning resources can be in the form of videos, MP4, PDFs. You can also contribute an interactive quiz for every lesson using the TNTP quiz creation tool available on this portal, that is website. If your contribution is for a student learning, it will be uploaded in eLearn platform. Website address elearn.tnschools.gov.in. If your contribution is for a teacher which helps to learn teaching techniques or teach with the help of your content, it will be uploaded in TNTP platform. Website address tntp.tnschools.gov.in. Let's discuss about Tamil Nadu Teachers Platform, that is TNTP website. This platform is for the teachers. This website provides e-learning, teaching, learning, practice resources, videos, interactives, online courses, training modules, etc. Let me explain how to log in TNTP website. Go to Google search first and type tntp.tnschools.gov.in. Click Tamil Nadu Teachers Platform and log in by using the 8-digit username and password assigned by MS. And sign in. You can see the home page. Welcome to Tamil Nadu Teachers Platform. Click 3 dashes in home page. You can find academic resources, e-textbooks, assessments, TPD, and contribute. In academic resources, you can find the resources from class 1 to class 12. In e-textbooks, you can find the textbooks in PDF form for all the students. In assessments, you can find the question banks of NEET/JEE Mains, Talent Exam, and Tamil Nadu Public Exam, model question papers, and contributed question papers. In TPD, spoken English modules and training modules are uploaded, and also online training courses are uploaded. Contribute is a platform for teachers to submit their own content and share it among the teaching community. The content should have a good script. The video should be well lighted and clear. It must not be too long. Limit to 10 minutes maximum and a minimum of 3 minutes. You should not mention the creator's name, photo, school name, watermark anywhere in the content. You should not mention your personal details like mobile number, email ID, etc. anywhere in the content. Video output should not appear dark on screen and should not be shaky. Scanned handwritten copies of any resources should not be uploaded. You should not upload mark sheets, personal documents, students singing in chorus, school events like sports day, annual day, etc., classroom charts, photos, student activities, etc. Thank you all for watching our video.